stern, but with calmer waters and a triple tugboat escort, the vessel had a smoother ride to safety before it docked and had its load secured.
But it's like a really complicated game of Jenga now. We can't lift the wrong box and the whole lot come tumbling down, so this is a long, slow process from here on in.
The process will be much longer near Port Stephens, where 83 containers were thrown by 30-knot winds into 5-metre seas. Debris is either floating, has washed up on beaches, or is stuck in rocky outcrops.
Initially it was a lot of the light plastics, packing materials, but we've also found things like bumper bars off cars, we've had white goods, we've had a whole container worth of plastic clocks in there as well, but we've also had furniture.
The bill could run into many millions of dollars, which the insured owners promised to pay. There'll be questions too about tie-down procedures.
We're concerned about the lashing on the ship. You know, was there adequate lashing for that cargo to make sure that it was safe going through rough weather?
So many of these containers were due to be delivered to other parts of Australia, so once YM Efficiency is cleared to leave Port Botany, it'll continue its journey. Normal stopovers at port are 24 hours.